Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today's October the 13th, 2021. This is going to be our Cardano price prediction. Guess what? Cardano needs to reclaim this price in order to avoid a catastrophic crash. I'm going to talk about that today. And guess what? It is going to be strictly off of the price chart. I'm not going to be here to confuse you. I'm not going to look at 1,500 articles that you all can read for yourself. I'm not going to talk about no technical indicators to try to justify why I think this price needs to be reclaimed in order for Cardano to elevate its price. I'm just going to look at the price bars and the volume. That's it. So again, if you find that interesting, if you guys appreciate the content that we are creating here on this channel, make sure you join me. Tap in, hit the like button. Should have been also subscribe to the channel, because one thing we will not do is we will not give you any FUD, any FOMO. We literally are here in position, anticipating the price move so that we can win, so that we can dominate this space, and so that we can make the bag. So if you guys want to join me, guess what? Make sure you tap in with me, because I'm going to give y'all the opportunity to predict the markets right alongside with me. You could drop me a comment right now on this video to tell me what is your expectations of ADA over the next 3 weeks. So right now, look at this. We did a price prediction into the market in ADA or Cardano on October the 8th. Check this out right there. And look what's our expectations were. We were expecting the price in ADA to continue to go down. And take a look at the price right now. The market is still giving us that weakness. Now, you may be wondering, what is that price that ADA will have to reclaim in order for us to see the price avoid a catastrophic crash? That number is $2.40. Okay, $2.40 is that price level for us to really see Cardano hit in order for us to not see price continue to go down. $2.40. Now look at where we are at today. We're at $2.11 right now. Can we see the price go back up in ADA? Let's find out, because currently our price prediction is still on track. We are still looking at the price in ADA going down. Let's see. Check this out. So we're going to look at the market in ADA on the 2-day time frame. You guys can tell one of the biggest reasons of us playing the weakness in the market in ADA right now is because of its rejection that it did on this ascending line. It's that simple. Once the market in ADA tried to break above that ascending line and it failed, we already knew that the market is going to continue to go down in price, because the market wasn't strong enough to break back up above that restriction line. And then secondly, the market did not even have enough juice to come back up to 240, to $2.45. So again, that gives you the magnitude of how weak this market really is in ADA at the moment. So look, the weakness is still present in ADA, but we got a couple of safety nets that's on this chart that will still allow this market to try to push up to 240. Do you see it? I'm going to give it to you right here. This is where the price in ADA ultimately, right, cannot fall below $2. Possibly even down here to $1.90. I will even give it to $1.90. We cannot see ADA's price go below. So as long as the price in ADA, okay, is trading above 190, the prospect of us trying to get back up to 240 is still on the table. Now, the further we get close to 190, the less likely it is that ADA will hit that $2.40 price though. So the sooner we grab support, the better. But the longer it takes, the longer we continue to see the price of ADA go down, the less likely we're not going to see the price hit $2.40. Simple, easy, right? So now let's see if we're going to continue to see the weakness into the market in ADA. Okay, let's see this. So this is the 3-day time frame into the market in ADA, and look how we ended on the last 3-day price bar, right? Look how we ended. Yeah, we saw a big spread to the downside. The market in ADA is still confirming the weakness right there. Now, if the market truly was strong, we would not have seen that 3-day price bar right there, but we did. So again, the market is not telling us any stories. The market is literally telling us, flashing signals, that this price in ADA is still weak. But you still have, you know, thousands of YouTube channels out here trying to pump you up and give you a lot of FOMO into thinking that ADA is still a buy. We're probably one of the only channels that's giving the expectation of ADA going down. The only one, right? Because we read off the price chart, we get an understanding as to what the market is really telling us based off what has already occurred. So there's still weakness here on a 3-day time frame. This is the weekly time frame. Take a look at that. Look how we ended last week. So there's still some weakness here in the space. There's no strength really being revealed in ADA on the 3-day time frame. We're not even seeing it here on the weekly time frame. Let's see if we get it out on a monthly. Look at the monthly time frame in ADA. Look at how we traded last month. That is not giving us any stories. If the market in ADA truly was strong during the month of September, guess what? We would not be seeing the price close on the low of that monthly price bar. We wouldn't, but we are. So we have to understand that the market is not telling us any stories this week. So the expectation of ADA continuing to go down is still there. Yeah, it is. I know you probably don't want to hear that, but for us, it is our purpose to make sure that you understand what the market is anticipated to do from our realm. Two-week time frame. Look at that. The last 4 2-week price bars, the market has closed lower than the previous one. So it tells you that where's the interest? With all of these YouTube videos talking about Cardano and how it's a buy and how people want you to come into the market and buy the dips, why isn't it being revealed on the price chart? Good question. That's why we don't pay attention to what people say. We only pay attention to what the chart is saying to us, what it reads. And right now it's reading that the market is weak. And I'm going to tell you the out loud truth right here. Okay, right here. We cannot see the price in ADA break below $2. We really can't. Because if we do, it's going to be 190 and even past 190 all the way back to 160. I'm telling you that right now, October the 13th, 2021. We cannot see that price break below 190 or $2. Can't. So in actuality, I mean, check it out. We're still in position. I don't think we need to change anything on our last price prediction that we did in ADA on the 8th of October. We don't need to change it right now. The market is still showing weakness. Nothing has changed. We're still expecting the price to go down. Now, if you wanted to eat off the market right now today, you could take a little bit off the market, 7.5%, not bad. We're still looking for that 12.75% to see that market hit $2, right? Now, again, I already told you 190 is the lowest area though. And that's about 17.25 right there. So this is it. I'm not going to change anything. Nothing has changed since our last video in ADA on October the 8th. We are still noticing that the price is weak. And in order for us to not see a continued movement to the downside, guess what? We need to see the price go up, back up towards $2.40. And as of this particular moment, we're not seeing that on the chart. So we're going to continue to play the weakness into the market in ADA. This is it. I'm not changing anything just yet. But if anything changes, then yeah, we'll come back and change the price prediction, right? But currently, the market is reading that ADA is weak. Now, it's your turn. Hit me up. Drop me a comment right now and tell me what is your price prediction, right? I have given you my idea. Now I want you to give me yours. Drop me your price prediction into the market in ADA for the next 3 weeks and tell me where do you think the price is going to be, right? Learn how to read the price bars and the volume for yourself. Practice. Whenever we do our videos, you can practice right alongside with us and see if you get your price prediction correct. Because you want to know when to get in as well as when to get out. Many of these YouTubers only tell you when to get in. They never give you a price target as to when you need to get out. So hit me up. Let me know. Make sure you maintain a profitability. And as always, trade different.